welcome to the New Indian Express News Wrap. I am Harshita Nagpal. Chief Minister Y. Jagan Mohan Reddy, who is on a 3-day visit to Kadapa, laid foundation stone for several developmental works in Budvale, Koparthi and Produttur. He laid the stone for a greenfield plant to be set up by Century Plyboards India Limited at Gopavaram in Kadapa district. Speaking on the occasion, Jagan said Century Plyboards' investment of 1600 crore rupees will create 2500 direct jobs and 5000 indirect jobs. The Chief Minister added farmers of Kadapa, Nellore and Prakasam districts will benefit as the industry is based on teak, subabul and eucalyptus, and as a result they will get remunerative prices for their produce. Now, businessman Rebba Satyanarayana has come under the scanner of the Enforcement Directorate for his alleged involvement in cheating IDBI Bank by taking fraudulent loans under the Kisan Credit Card scheme. The ED has attached movable and immovable assets worth 100 crores belonging to Rebba Satyanarayana and his family members under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. The investigating agency in a press release said the attached assets, including agricultural land, fish ponds, commercial sites, plots and flats in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, apart from bank balance. Investigation was initiated after an FIR was registered by the CBI in Vizag under various sections of the IPC against the businessman and others for fraudulently availing KCC fish tank loans to the tune of 112.41 crore rupees under the names of 143 Benami borrowers from IDBI Bank in Rajahmundry. As many as 60 of the 140 movie theatres in East Godavari district did not open for business today in protest against the government order fixing ticket rates. The managements claimed they will not be able to maintain the cinemas if they sell tickets as per the government order. On the other hand, revenue officials carried out inspections at all cinemas across Chittoor district and sealed 7 theatres in Madnapalli as they had not renewed their license. Sub-Collector M. Janvi also inquired about the price of tickets and examined canteens at the theatres. A war of words erupted between MAUD Minister Bocha Satyanarayana and actor Nani over the controversial Jio. Nani's film Shyam Singha Roy is scheduled to hit the screens tomorrow. Interacting with the media in Hyderabad, he called the government move illogical and an insult to the audience. He said tickets were priced at 10, 15 and 20 rupees in some parts of the state, which does not make sense. Nani claimed that Kirana stores make more money than theatres if fares are fixed as per the Jio. In response to Nani's remarks, MAUD Minister Bocha Satyanarayana at a press conference in Vijayanagaram observed that people should not be made to feel that watching a movie is burdensome. Without naming Nani, the minister said remarks made by a film actor that the government is insulting audience is not true, as the government's intention is to benefit the common man. Bocha explained that the government fixes the rates of movie tickets based on the facilities in the theatre. He asserted that the government cannot allow the management to charge twice or thrice or sell tickets in black. Sri Lanka's Prime Minister Mahinda Rajapaksa, along with his wife Shiranti Rajapaksa, reached Tirumala this afternoon. On his arrival at Sri Padmavati Rest House, he was accorded a warm reception by Deputy Chief Minister K. Narayanaswamy. The Lankan Prime Minister and his entourage will have darshan of Sri Venkateshwara Swami tomorrow. With that, it's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Do follow us on Twitter, Instagram and YouTube, and download the New Indian Express app for more news and updates.